Hello friends, welcome back. This time we install the CCTV with 4 cameras, with one DVR device and power supply unit. As you can see, I will make a hole in the PSU casing and install a 12 cm fan. The goal is so that this PSU can last and not get too hot. The fan used is the same as the PC desktop fan. This fan is suitable for CCTV PSU which has a DC 12 voltage. To fill the PSU must be removed. This means that it is safe when grinding. On the DVR unit, a fan hole is also made. The hole is made on the lid only, so the contents of the DVR are safe and not disturbed. Okay, this is the part we are ready to work on. First, make a hole for the fan ball position. For the right ball hole size, friends can use a drill ball. Balls that are usually used for like steel. For the fan mounting balls are ready available. Drill balls are only used to make holes. Make sure the position of these 4 holes is right, so that the fan balls can enter properly. Now, we try to simulate the fan position. Okay, the 4 holes are in the right position. We continue by making a hole in the middle. For how to make hole, please friends listen carefully. Trim the circle of holes that we will remove. After that, cut and make a cross line like this. After cutting, pull everything out like this. Replace the small grinding wheel and tidy up the circle of this hole. Lastly, use a cutter knife to blunt the sharp circle. Okay, it's done. Oh yeah, so that all the metal powder can be thrown away. We should wash this casing until clean. While waiting for the PSU casing to dry, we also work on the DVR cover. For how to make holes, it's exactly the same as what I said before. Okay, it's done. We also wash the DVR cover. Back to the PSU casing. This casing is clean, is dry, and the PSU content are ready to be reinstalled. Oh yeah, before washing, I made a hole here. This hole is useful for the fan cable route. Okay, for how to install the PSU components, please press C. Okay, it's done. For the fan cable, just install it here. Install it on this green connector. Installation of the fan cable will be done during total assembly. For the DVR fan cable, it is also installed on the PSU. So, the position of the DVR unit must be close to the PSU unit. Now, if it's like this, I'm sure both of these units will last. Right, and of course friends, if the DVR PSU is in a room without air conditioner, then installing the fan to this device is very appropriate.